Hi folks, we're back with more Revit training and we continue on with this renovation project that I've been working on. So now we're going to look at the interior walls more and do finishes. And in fact, for the wall, we're going to try to get the ceilings also done in this exercise. So first we want to select this wall, and I want to show you want to add baseboards, base plates. So what we have to do, we need to get some in here in this model because I'm sure we don't have any. So I want to go to my insert tab, and I want to select load Autodesk family icon, and then here I have a lot of profiles, and I'm going to grab a couple, and then I'm going to go load into my project. So they should be in there now. So really okay, so for now let's grab the interior wall. Let's say this one. I might even want to see if I can grab all these instances in view. Okay, I think I got them all. So then you want to go here, I want to edit this type. And here I'm going to just duplicate this, and I'm going to just leave that as 2, and then I'm going to say okay. And then here I want to edit this. I want to edit all these. And so now, okay, we got 2 layers of gypsum board we don't need, so I'm going to delete one of those out. And then I want to preview, see what this guy looks like. So this is our wall. We got 2 layers of gypsum board on each side. Okay, so now we want to add a sweep. And here we want to add a profile. And it goes to default, but then we know we got these bases we found, we loaded, so we got this one. And we're going to make this wood. Oh gosh, let's just make it, for now, door panel. And use rendered appearance, apply, okay. And then that's going to be at the base. So let's pull this out so we can see what's going on here. And then if I hit apply, there it is. Now we want to go here and do another, I'm going to just okay this. And here I want to do another sweep. I'm just going to add it here, and this one will be the same, and this will be door panel. Uh-oh. Let's see what's going on. Oh, this should be interior side, and we should be all good. Let's say apply. And okay, so there we have our basis for the interior walls. Okay, now the exterior walls are going to act a little differently. Let's show you how that's going to work. So we'll get our exterior walls going now. So I'll just select this one, and I want to select all these instances in view again. Here I want to edit the type. And we're going to edit this guy, and we're going to do the same as before. We got the preview going on here, but this time we want to do a reveal. Another sweep, I'm sorry. We're going to add a profile. We only need this on one side. Category is going to, the material is going to be door panel again. Okay. It's going to be at the base, and this is going to be on the interior side. And say apply. I'm going to go apply. Okay. 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 I think we can ignore that. I'm going to apply here, and okay. It's doing its thing, I guess. and there. So we got our baseboards in. Yep, the interior side and the exterior baseboards are all done. And now what we want to do is we want to look at adding our ceiling. So we're going to go into our project browser here, and then under ceiling plans, we'll just click on level 1 here. So this is our ceiling for level 1. So here, I'm going to just go in here and just place a ceiling. So I want to go to Architecture tab, and then I want to hit ceiling. So for this, I'll just go on there. We don't want that type of ceiling, so I'm going to undo that right quick. We just want to, I don't think we want tiles here. We just want a straight ceiling. In fact, that's what they have here. So I'm going to go with ceiling once again, but in my properties. So here's my ceiling properties, and then we see what other ceiling we got here. We're going to go gypsum wallboard or metal stud ceiling. You just want to have just a plain ceiling here. So anyway, and then we need to add light fixtures and things like that. But folks, just wanted to get us started here. We got our first level, and there's our ceiling going in. I want to go back into my 3D view here. So we've got our first level going. We got our base, everything, and then I can show you how to paint these walls or whatever. So we'll paint later on. So hey guys, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe. Helps me make videos like this all the time. Bye y'all. Be safe.